Hi everyone, I'd just like to share today my quick trio I've done of, I'm calling them my angel journals. They are traveller's notebook sizes, four and a quarter by 8 1/4 or 8 1/2. I can never remember properly the size of a traveller's notebook, but I will list everything up properly. I say trio, this one's not actually finished yet. I still need to sew the signatures in, but I just want to give you a quick look at the covers, and they're all, so I'll actually move this out of the way because she's not finished, so I'll leave her. So I really have got a duo to share with you. I wanted to get this filmed quickly because one of them is already been posted, and by the time I've done this video it's already on its way. Hopefully it arrives safely. I'll do that one first actually. I've done them all lace and fabric, with collaging of different laces, textures. I've tried to leave these as plain as possible because the idea originally was going to be used like as a December daily. You could just jot notes and daily stuff that's happening throughout the year, but I struggled a little bit with leaving them blank. So I've done a few embellishments. Leaving things blank for me is very hard. I have to keep putting things on, but this is like blank for me, so I'll just give you a quick run through of it. Like I said, they're made from different laces, which I've just layered up. A little snowflake on the back, a little snowflake on the front, and I've used this beautiful little angel. And I just love this angel. I've used her quite a lot in previous journals, but I think she's beautiful. I've put some glitter on her wings. She's got like a little ruffle here. There's some gold tulle, different laces, cheesecloth, creepy cloth, and a little applique, and the same at the top. Just laid it up with various textures. And in the inside I have put a front pocket because I think these are always handy at this time of year for keeping receipts in case people want to take gifts back. I've put a couple of journaling cards in. I won't take them all out because I think it's pretty obviously what a journaling card is. I've left another little pocket here for putting more little things in. There's 40 pages front to back, and that was my plan. They could be used sort of every day throughout December, and then a little bit of spare. I'm not in frame here, am I? I'll master this one day, I swear. A little girl here with a little tree I've just collaged up a bit. Another little image I've put on with a little bit of cheesecloth, and I've used some of these Tim Holtz little quote things which I really, really love. This one says, "Happy smiles and twinkling eyes, Christmas child Betsy." But I just think this little girl looks like a Betsy. I've just done a little doily and some tulle underneath it. All pages have been coffee stained. Little doily, some book papers. I've put a bag in, which is always handy for keeping tags and little notes and receipts again. And I've put on another little, angel image, which just says, "On Christmas night, peace to all." A little bit of bling and some lace. And on the other side of the bag, there's another little girl that's just been collaged up with a little bit of lace, which just says, "Silent night, holy night." I've stuck to angels on these because I like Christmas angels, and I just wanted to do a journal really with mainly angels in, but also leaving plenty of room for writing. Papers I've used in here, I've used some of Artymaze from her Vintage Christmas. I think this is one of hers, the Standard Christmas Carols, Silent Night. I know the centre is definitely from Andrea's kit. And if you've not seen her Vintage Christmas kit yet, have a look. It's absolutely lovely. Them are my next two projects now. I'm making two journals that I've half started using that kit, but they'll be very different than these. Some more writing paper. The other side of that Standard Christmas Carol paper. The other side of the bag I've just laid up again with some more little journaling cards of angels. and another little sticker saying she might share in the joyful surprise. Another little collage on the other side of the bag, just some gold tool, book paper, your heart and mine sentiment. Another pocket in with tag journaling cards. Like I said, loads of paper for, right, definitely use these as a December daily. Just done one of these little Tim Holtz die cuts, which I've put in some more little extra journaling cards. They're all sort of very angel themed. A little bit of writing paper had left over. I think that was from the Artymaze Christmas cheer kit. I found some papers I'd printed from last year, so I've shoved some of them in here. I've put in a little postcard that I picked up when I was in Krakow in Poland recently, and I just thought they were lovely. I just thought they were very festive, and they still have the angels on. Book page I've just collaged up with a little die cut doily, some music paper, and I had to start putting a few embellishments in because I just thought my pages looked very bare. There are gifts you cannot see, and I've always liked that, and you could just use that as a little tuck spot. And one of these, I forget what you call them, these sort of time card things, I've just made that into a pocket with a little bit of lace on the top, and I've left the pocket so you can stick in more things like Christmas reminders, etc. That's the first one, which, as I've said, is already being sold. I posted these on Instagram and I had a few inquiries about them, but this one has already gone. I will be listing them in my Etsy shop according as I finish them. Like I said, one of them's not finished yet, but this one is, and I've named this little angel, I've named this journal A Wonderful Life, just after the little embellishment I've put on the top here. And once again, another angel. Just done a simple ribbon closure, but I've tried to keep it matching up with, because she's got like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up very well, but she's got like a sort of a pale lilac-y dress, so I've tried to pick out that colour. Put some glitter on her wings, and this is another fabric lace journal. I've just put a doily, cream doily on the back, some lace, a little bit of trim on the top, and I've collaged up some sparkly purple tulle, a little bit of gold organza I had, a little bit of vintage lace, and this beautiful little girl. I think she's lovely. I'll quickly run through these. Another one, again, very plain, embellished. They are mainly journaling, these little TNs. Some more writing paper, more angel journaling cards. Just put a little fabric pocket in there. I've used some of the Artymaze vintage Christmas kits, but these are lovely because they've still got a little something on the paper, but yeah, still lined for writing. Just done another little embellishment that says, see the gleaming twinkling stars. Little angel on the underneath it. Some more writing space, and the book page which I've collaged up saying, may your heart be joyous, with a little angel picture. This one is definitely Artymaze Christmas cheer, because I know I had some left over from last year of that paper. Doily. Another little bag which I've put some writing paper in, and I've just embellished it up a little bit. It just says, dear are the sounds of Christmas, because she looked like she was a little angel listening to something. And on the back I've put another little collage up with just some baking paper, music paper, little tulle, and it just says, hear them singing their sweet song. I tried to go for simplicity in these. Sometimes you just want simplicity in your life at Christmas. Little snowflake, which is like a little tuck spot there. Another centre of it. This also has got 40 pages front to back, and usual traveller's notebook size. more music paper, some more writing space. The other side of the bag I've just collaged up again saying message of love, Merry Christmas, and two beautiful angelic little girls. I've just put a little envelope in here, another journaling card. I said there's not much in the line of pockets and tags and these, but I'm trying to go for less is more at this time of year. Two more little angelic girls saying a star in the sky. I've shoved another one of these, but I think I bought about 10 of these postcards because I just thought they were so pretty. I did send some out last year, but I'm using the rest up in my journals. Another little pocket here, coming towards the end of it now. Just put a little bit of journaling paper, some journaling cards in. A little fold out to give you more writing space. And I've left the back pretty plain because I didn't want them getting too bulky, because I know at this time of year people like to put their own stuff in. But that's the second one. As I've said, the third one's not complete, but I hopefully hope to have it completed either today or tomorrow. And she's exactly the same lines. Lots of plain paper, but different lace covering on the front. Thanks for dropping by and watching. I hope you are all having a good day, and I'll catch you all soon. Bye.